This is how you adjust your M1 finance portfolio without triggering a taxable event. So after you get logged into your M1 finance portfolio, go ahead and slide down to the Invest tab. Once we arrive here, you see a few options as you scroll down. You see the Rebalance tab and the Edit tab. Rebalance is using your current money inside of your portfolio to rebalance and adjust and move to make these actual percentage weights their target percentage weights. That can create a taxable event. So we're not going to do that today. We are going to click the Edit button, and this is going to bring us to adjust our target percents. Now, this is how you utilize M1 is investing over a long period of time. So I want to adjust this slice here. I'm going to bring down, as you can see, remove 2%. I need to keep bringing it down. We're going to get to 100%. This is how you can adjust your percentages for future money inside your M1 portfolio so you can avoid that taxable event. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Stocks Individual updated, TLT updated. Inside my portfolio, let's click Confirm. This is how you adjust the future allocation of your money to adjust your portfolio inside M1 Finance.